Hello, children. How are you? Hope all of us are doing good. Now, we will begin with our 12th chapter today, and the title is The Ant and the Elephant. But before we begin the story, let us look at the knowledge bite. Who do you think is more strong, an ant or an elephant? Let's read out the story to find out. So, if we look at a very small ant, that is a chinti, or a huge elephant, that is a hathi, we might think that the elephant is stronger than the ant. But is that really so? To find out, let us read the story. The sports meeting in the forest held in spring. So during springtime, there is a sports meeting that is held in the forest. All the animals of the forest gathered to watch the wrestling of different animals. Do you know what is wrestling? When two people fight with each other and try to throw their opponent on the floor. मतलब कुश्ती करते हुए जब कोई ट्राई करता है ना कि जो सामने वाला है उसको नीचे गिरा दिया जाए, तो उस स्पोर्ट या गेम को रेसलिंग यानी कि कुश्ती कहा जाता है. So there were so many different animals from the forest who had gathered or come together to wrestle and see who is the winner. The big elephant was declared an excellent wrestler. So while this wrestling game was or sport was taking place, it was decided that the big elephant was an excellent, meaning very good wrestler. He first played with the zebra and soon the zebra was defeated. So who was the first opponent that the elephant defeated? जिसको हाथी ने हरा दिया, वो पहला जानवर कौन सा था? वो था zebra. Then came the giraffe. Though the giraffe was tall, he was also soon defeated. The elephant felt proud. So the second animal whom the elephant defeated मतलब जिसको हरा दिया. So the second animal that the elephant defeated was the tall giraffe. So now the elephant felt very proud. उसको बहुत खुशी हो रही थी कि he is so strong that he has defeated the zebra and now the giraffe. Nobody can defeat me. I must be the wrestling champion today. So he was waiting for another wrestler. So the elephant thought that nobody can defeat him and he will be declared as the champion in this wrestling sport. Now he was waiting for some other animal to come and wrestle with him, whom he could perhaps defeat. So what happens next is, but this time it was a small ant. When he saw the ant, he couldn't help but laugh. अगर हमारे सामने भी अगर कुछ ऐसा सीन हो कि एक तरफ हाथी है और एक तरफ इतनी छोटी सी चींटी है और चींटी जो है वो हाथी से रेसलिंग यानी कि कुश्ती लड़ने आई है, तो हमारी भी तो हंसी छूट जाएगी ना. Similarly, the elephant also started laughing that how come this little ant has come to wrestle with him when he has already defeated such a tall giraffe. So what happens next is, ha! Little ant, you came to wrestle with me, said the elephant. I want to give a try, said the ant. So obviously, the elephant asked the ant, you have come to wrestle with me? मुझसे लड़ने आई हो? And the ant responded by saying, let me at least give it a try. So have a try. How will you try? I think you should better admit defeat, said the elephant. But the ant blinked and did not answer. So the elephant was very sarcastic. He said, have a try. How do you think that you will even try to fight with me, to wrestle with me? So I think that you should already admit, पहले से ही मान लो that you are defeated. Defeated meaning that you have lost to me. The ant does not answer him but blinks. When you move your eyelids in that close and open position, that is called blinking. So without answering, the ant simply blinked. The elephant said proudly, little ant, let's do this. So then he further says, I will just stand here and you can attack me. So he is so proud of himself and he already thinks that he is so huge and the ant is so small. So he says, okay, then try it. You want to wrestle with me? Let's go ahead with this. For your sake, I will keep on standing and you can just come and attack me. That is, मेरे से आप लड़ सकते हो, मैं ऐसे ही खड़ा रहूंगा, कुछ नहीं करूंगा. So, I will let you kick and push and pull. So the elephant says, you can kick me, you can push me, you can pull me, and I will not do anything because I think you will not be able to win anyways. So you must honor your words, said the ant. So here honor means that you must actually do what you are saying you will do. So the ant told him to honor his words. So honor means when you keep your promise or your words, you are honoring your words. जब आप जो कहते हो वो करते हो, तब आप अपने words को honor दे रहे होते हो. So the ant says that you must honor your words. That is, you must keep your words and let me do whatever I want to do while you remain still. So, of course, I always honor my words, said the elephant. So the elephant said that yes, I always keep my words. I do what I say that I will do. Now let's see what happens. Now monkey comes as a referee. A referee is somebody who actually sees a sport while it is happening to ensure that nobody is cheating and everybody is playing fairly. So who was the referee for this particular wrestling match? It was a monkey. The ant said to the referee, please blow the whistle. The referee blew the whistle. So the ant told the referee that blow your whistle. Whistle जानते हैं ना? सीटी. So the referee blew the whistle and the wrestling began. So what happened? The elephant stood there. The elephant, he had promised, no, that I'll just remain still. I'll keep standing here. You do whatever you want. So he just stood there. The ant climbed up the legs and then his neck. Finally, it went into his ear. तो ant ने क्या करा? उसकी टांग से चढ़ते हुए, ऊपर चढ़ते हुए, उसकी गर्दन पे पहुंचते हुए उसके कान में घुस गई. It bit him and danced in it. Now the ant actually bit the elephant inside the ear and started dancing there. The elephant could not bear it anymore. He fell over the ground and begged the ant. Oh ant, it hurts so much. I can't bear it. Please come out. I accept my defeat. Such a small little ant. What had it done? It actually entered the elephant's ear. It bit him there and it kept on dancing there. Now, if something enters our ear, it hurts a lot and the pain is unbearable. So, the elephant also could not bear this pain and he fell down and then he accepted his defeat. Defeat माने हार मान लेना. So, see children, such a little ant, but it made the elephant accept defeat that the ant was stronger than him. So I hope all of us enjoyed this story very much. And we also learned a very important lesson that never underestimate your opponent simply because that opponent happens to be very small or weak looking.